how to promote tiny little affiliate products on ClickBank and make huge affiliate commissions in 2025 using TikTok affiliate marketing without showing your face. So as you can see over here, right, I'm going to go step by step into details, but let's have a look. In the last month, in the last 30 days, I had 83,000 US dollars in affiliate commissions. In the last week, 7 days, 22,456 US dollars in affiliate commissions. Now, how I did it, let me show you. You can see by yourself. Don't have to take my word for it. Don't have to believe me. Look for yourself. In the last 7 days, I had almost 500,000, 333,000 video views. My personal strategy as an affiliate, super affiliate, that I teach my clients and students when we work one-on-one over the Zoom calls is this. I run ads for 7 days on TikTok, and then I stop running ads. So the next week, it's zero ad spend. It's free traffic, organic eyeballs, audiences, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So you're only spending money 14 days or 15 days in a month, and 15 days it's free traffic, free profit for you as an affiliate. Why? You can see over here, right? 333,000 video views, 27,000 likes, and 1,800 comments, which is really great because if people show engagement on TikTok, okay, one of the secrets why TikTok is so profitable for me and other people, right? Not just me, but other people are also making tens of thousands of dollars per week and per month with affiliate marketing is this. People don't wake up on the morning to go on Facebook to buy some products, right? To get sold. No. But they go on TikTok shop or TikTok to look, okay, who is live streaming? Where can I buy from TikTok shop? Where can I buy from this affiliate promoting these affiliate marketing products? Yes, they do that. Don't have to believe me. Go and Google TikTok shop, affiliate marketing, TikTok. You'll see buyer's intent is already there. It's great news for you as an affiliate because you can take advantage legally. You can take leverage and make money online. Okay, you don't have to have the same kind of results over here as you can see, right? Let me show you over here. In the last 28 days, 5,600 comments, 100,000 likes, right? 1.3 million video views, which is really great if you're promoting cheap little products on ClickBank, even high ticket product, paying $500 to $1,000 per sale, it's possible, right? But let's keep it low, okay? Let's keep it to low ticket products because this is instant purchase buyer. So on TikTok, the secret is buyer's intent. Now, once you understand that, we can move forward, right? Now, let me show you this. You can reach out to me later on my Instagram, my Facebook, my WhatsApp number below this video, right? But you can see I traveled to over, now updated to 65 countries, stay in 5-star resorts. You can see over here, right? I'm traveling all the time because you can only spend 20 to 40, 30 minutes per day doing this, and then the rest you can travel, okay? Now, let me go through this, exactly how this is done. If you have bought any courses before on ClickBank, affiliate marketing, passive income, you know that most time you fail. If you have failed, it's not your fault. Why? Because no one else has ever told you, the gurus never tell the real secret, which is this. Problem with most websites, blogs, ClickFunnels, Go High Level, whatever using landing pages is this, my friend. They don't create intent. What do I mean by that? You see an ad, but you're not in the buyer state. You don't have a problem. The secret, again, I'm going to give you for free is people buy when they have a problem. So we are solving problems. We are in solving problems business, okay? There is a problem and there is a solution. And there is the gap between. And there are 5 stages of pre-selling in order for you to get a high conversion rate, okay? So we have to capture curiosity and buyer's intent. Most of gurus teach you to do something like this. Create landing page like this. Look nice. Look weird, look ugly, whatever. The secret is it doesn't make money. Why? Because it doesn't create the customer. It doesn't create buyer's intent. Yes, you're gonna get high click-through rate. Many people click on your ads, click on your landing page on ClickFunnels, and you're gonna lose your time and money. Why? Again, if you remember, I said because there is no buyer's intent. You did not create buyer. And that's the secret why we can make thousands of dollars per day and why others struggle or lose money with affiliate marketing. Because they don't know the secret. They don't know the deeper layers of this game. Okay, they have low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, and the way you speak, the copy on your sales page, the pre-sale pages has to be in congruent, right? There has to be message to the market match. Once that's happening, my friend, you are making money online. You are making daily commissions. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you check your ClickBank account or whatever affiliate network, MaxWeb, whatever. You wake up, you check, wow, I make another $500 today. And you go out, you do whatever with your family, right? It's possible. Other people are doing it. It's nothing new. Affiliate marketing is 20, 30 years old. People have been placing ads in newspaper magazines 30, 40 years ago. The difference is only social media is now really great. Internet is huge. So you can take advantage of that and give yourself a gift, an opportunity in 2025 to leverage and make money for yourself and your family, right? You can see people are on their phones 24/7. Go outside of your house, check around, subway, trains, airports. People are on their phones. Are you going to take leverage and make money, or your neighbor is going to, right? Either one, someone is going to do it, if not you, right? So you don't have to, like, you may be wondering, okay, how much money I have to spend on ads to get these kind of results, right? That I showed you before. How much money? Maybe you're wondering. You gotta start small. I would say $5 to $10 is max that you can begin with. Even you have $1,000 on your credit card. No, you don't have to spend so much money to start this. But you need to have someone who can help you, mentor you, coach you, guide you, so you can fast forward yourself and you can avoid those avoidable mistakes that you can make that can hurt you and lost you tons of more money and time if you don't have someone who can help you move forward, right? So you can see we get it done together with my students. Now, 2 steps to $10,000 per month. If you want to do that, you only need $330 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay? Again, you don't have to show your face. It's faceless channel. No one knows your name. No one knows what you're doing. No one of your family members will know. You yourself will know what you're doing and what kind of products you're promoting, okay? So you don't have to use your personal pages or something like that, or with your face. No. But you have to invest 20 to 30 minutes per day if you want to get these kind of results, right? As you can see over here, right? The secret is that at any given moment, there is only 10 to 30,000 people who wanna buy the product. So everyone else is competing, and if you're smart, as I know you are, because you're still watching, listening to my voice, is this. Once we work together one-on-one, you'll see exactly, by hand-holding you, how we create a problem state, how we put people in the problem state and move them into our ads into the solution state. And that's, my friend, where the sale is happening, where the sale happens, okay? That's the most important thing. One customer can make you up to $1,000 per sale. Now in this case, $216, right? You can see $47 upsell, and that's for dating, female dating on ClickBank. You can see 47 for the front end offer, front end sale, and you get $35 affiliate commission, and all the way from the upsell 2, upsell 2, upsell 3, down sales. At the end, you make $216, and maybe you only spent $50 that day, or maybe you spent $25 that day, and one customer made you back how much? $200 in profit. One customer, one click, one sale. Okay? So you can see over there, this is it if you do it correctly. So as you watch this video, what you can do now, you can connect with me one-on-one. Click the link below this video after subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you can subscribe now as you watch if you want more helpful tips. But if you're serious, if you're an action taker, if you really want to get results, working 20 to 30 minutes per day, and have someone who can personally, over a Zoom call or one-on-one chat, call, help you to get up and running, then let me know. There is my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal phone number, my Facebook Messenger, my Instagram, you can DM me or follow me there, and also my email. So let me know, and let's make something happen together.